Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, I'm so excited because for today's episode, we are going to do an in-depth review of the latest collection of Louis Vuitton from their Spring-Summer 2023. I'm so excited because we are going to check out a very close-up look of these bags via LouisVuitton.com. We are going to check out also the mod shots, the dimensions, prices, and guys, good news is I'm going to link everything on the description box. So please relax and make sure you watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fan. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account at DAMIER52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Hi guys, all prices are in USD via LouisVuitton.com and are updated as of February 27. Tip for Manila subscribers, our prices are just same with US prices, just add at least estimated of 200 USD to get the Philippine peso prices. Happy shopping guys! Alright, so let us start first with the DAMIER AZUR Nautical collection. Firstly is we have the Neonoé, size MM, price is 2,380 before tax. So guys, when I have seen the Nautical collection, honestly, I was surprised and pleasantly amazed with this collection because initially, I'm not really a huge fan of the DAMIER AZUR because of the color transfer, but when I have seen the print of this one, it is really beautiful and it really caught my attention. The next on this collection is the very beautiful Speedy Bandoulière, size 25, price is 2,150 USD. So as you are going to see here, what I love about this print is that it's very chic yet very playful at the same time. It kind of resembles like the Louis Vuitton bandos. What do you think guys of the colorway? Me, I love it. I love that there's pink. I love that there's gold, as you can see here, that the padlock comes with the LV engraving and the print also goes through the entirety of the bag. Next on the Nautical collection, we have the Alma BB, price is 2,100 USD. So guys, I would be biased, you know, my love for Almas, and this is my favorite. So guys, what I also love with the Nautical collection, you are going to see that the lining is also printed almost the same pattern as what we could see here on the prints on the outside. Plus, maybe what we just need to be very careful of the DAMIER AZUR collection, aside from the color transfer of the canvas, is of course the Pochette leather trim. So next on the Nautical collection, we have the Félicie Pochette. This is only 1,620 USD. So if you are not familiar, so again, the Félicie Pochette comes with two inserts. So again, just showing here the very beautiful lining. And here are the two inserts. We have card slots and we have a zippered pocket. Then this is what it looks like close up, and look at the back, it still comes with a very beautiful print. Then we have of course the Neverfull MM, price at 2,370. So again, the size is MM. I believe this is a good everyday bag, plus I think it's an upgrade to the regular Neverfull in the regular DAMIER AZUR. Honestly guys, if I haven't purchased my Alma PM, then definitely I would be adding the Alma BB in my collection in this very beautiful Nautical collection. Next, let us check out the Spring-Summer 2023 collection, Nanogram collection. The first one is the loop bag. This one price is 3,050 USD before tax. So what I love about this bag guys, of course, it's made of 100% genuine leather. And of course, the Louis Vuitton monogram is teeny tiny. It's almost like if from afar you won't be able to notice that this is a Louis Vuitton bag. But if you're going to look, then that's where you are going to notice the very cute monogram or the very cute Louis Vuitton monogram. So as you could see here, super cute. This is the back portion. Then the next bag, of course, same bag, loop in the Nanogram collection. Price is same, 3,050 USD. So this one in this very beautiful, like a turquoise aquamarine color, and of course the hardware is in yellow gold hardware. Next, on the Nanogram collection, we have the Neo BB. Price is $2,980 US. So the difference on this one, as you're going to look, guys, how beautiful is the braided top handle. I want the braided top handle on this Neonoé BB, because actually I love the size of this one, because definitely you could put all the essentials that you need for a whole day event plus more. And guys, again, close-up look on the very beautiful Nanogram monogram of this collection. Now to my favorite on the Nanogram collection, we have the Speedy Bandoulière 20. Price is $3,100 USD before tax. So this one comes in two different colors. First one is we have the pink. What do you think of this one? Honestly, guys, I am wanting to add on my wish list either a Speedy 25 or a Speedy 20. This is the black version of the Nanogram collection for the Speedy Bandoulière 20. Price is $3,100. The entirety of the bag is in this very beautiful black leather with very beautiful gold hardware. Next, still on the Nanogram collection, we have the Monogram clutch. Price is $4,100 USD. So as we could see here, it comes in three different colors. It comes in like the aquamarine, then we have the black, and then what we are seeing here is the black. So what do you think of this new bag from LV? Still part of the Spring Summer 2023 collection, we have the Capucin's BB. This one is priced at $7,300 USD. Guys, if you're going to take a closer look of this one, what I really love is the interweaving of different color leather material plus the canvas as well. Later you are going to see. Here we have part of this collection, the Monogram clutch for $4,600 USD. So what I mentioned on my previous blog, this is like a combination of a Louis Vuitton trunk and a clutch bag. As you're going to see here, it has a very beautiful opening like this one, and you could remove the strap. Then we have the Petite Malle for $6,250. So this one very cute. Again, I really love the interweaving pattern of leathers and monogram canvas. Just look at this very beautiful detail, guys. Now let us move on to the Giant Collection Spring Summer 2023. First is we have the S-Lock Extra Large. Price is $3,950 USD. So this is a very interesting and very, I would say, a collector's kind of bag from LV, because this is such a very different design, a very fashion forward design. So it comes in black and it comes in the red color. Still on the Giant Collection, we have the Twist Lock XL. Price is $4,500 USD before tax. So this comes in two colors. We have in black in the silver hardware, and then we have in this gold epi leather material with the gold hardware. So this one, guys, what I have noticed on this bag, unlike the regular LV twist bag wherein you have to twist the logo LV for you to be able to open it, as you're going to see here, the LV is fixed, and I believe this is a magnetic type of opening. Next, we have the Keybell XL, priced at $2,640 USD. So what do you think of this bag? I was able to read on the description that the entirety of the bag is made of vachetta or untreated leather. So it's actually beautiful in concept, but then again, since this is an untreated leather, so if you're going to purchase this, guys, you may have to spray it with apple guard, so as you could see here, or you have to be really careful with watermarks and stains. Next, we have the Mini Dauphine Lock Extra Large, price is $3,800 USD. So what I love about this Dauphine, so again, as you're going to see, that the Louis Vuitton logo up front is very huge. So again, it really is something different from the normal Dauphine that that they have out right now. Plus, I love that it comes with this very beautiful top handle. So it comes in 2 compartments as we are going to see here. I also love the reverse monogram of this bag. Then we have the Pochette Clay Extra Large, priced at $38.50 USD. So this one, guys, I feel this is everyone is wanting on the Giant collection because everyone has their key clay in their SLGs and everyone loves it. Even myself, I do love my key clay SLG. So this one is very quirky. As you can see, it fits all your essential and definitely a collector's piece. Then we have the Monogram clutch for $35.50. So this one is the same Monogram clutch, but this time it's made of entirety of vachetta leather trims with the coated canvas leather. What do you think, guys? Which is your favorite? Would you choose the one in leather in the Nanogram or the Monogram detail? There, did you enjoy our episode for today? We have so many beautiful bags coming from LouisVuitton.com. So for the availability, guys, kindly check your CAs or your local Louis Vuitton store. Please comment down below among this beautiful selection, which ones are your favorite and are you adding to your wish list. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fan. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. It's at DAMIER52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!